Brockelman and my friend Jim here is letting me have his time slot for 5 weeks. Well, not exactly letting me have it. I sort of took it. Anything you want to say?
Go right ahead. It's your time slot.
Well, not exactly. Just for 5 weeks.
Pay the money!
They're not going to let her go.
You know how long it took me to find that? 17 years, maybe.
Boy, that's great. That really makes collecting a challenge, huh?
We'd like to get a written statement from your daughter.
Sergeant, she hallucinates under stress.
Hey, what are you kidding me?
They shot him. They dragged him from the car and they shot him 3 times.
My wallet's in there! Brockelman, stop that car!
School's out. Sun's coming up and the days are getting longer. No doubt. California girls got me feeling stronger. Bop, bop, bop. Everybody's hanging around. Wind is strong and the surf is steady. Everybody's playing it down. Bop, bop, trying to be cool, but you know they're ready. Just can't imagine what the world would be without a West Coast woman getting next to me. Short bed Chevy by the bright blue sea. Oh, school's out, summer's coming, school.